Hello students, I am Avdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the second chapter of Political Science of class 9. The title of the chapter is Constitutional Design. In the previous video, we have discussed about making of the Indian Constitution and Constituent Assembly. In this video, we are going to discuss the guiding values of the Indian Constitution and institutional design. Guiding values of the Indian Constitution. To understand the Indian Constitution properly, we need to understand its overall philosophy. This can be done by knowing the views of some prominent leaders about our constitution, as well as the preamble to our constitution, the dreams and the promise. Mahatma Gandhi was not a member of the Constituent Assembly, but many members of it followed his vision. In 1931, he had expressed himself in his magazine Young India that he wanted to frame a constitution that provides an effective voice to the poor and underprivileged. He wanted the constitution to promote harmonious living of all communities in the country. It should not allow untouchability, intoxicating drinks or drugs in the country. It should give equality to women with men. Now, the opinion of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar wanted political, social and economic equality for all. He is known as the father of the Indian Constitution. He feared that if we deny equality in social and economic life for long, democracy will be in great danger. And the opinion of Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru wanted equality of opportunity to all, end of poverty and ignorance and control of diseases. He wanted all responsible persons to dedicate themselves to the service of society. Philosophy of the Constitution. The values that inspired and guided the freedom struggle formed the foundation for India's democracy. These values are included in a short statement of its basic values, which is called the preamble to the Indian Constitution. They guide all the articles of the Indian Constitution. It is inspired by the American model of the Constitution, which begins with a preamble. The preamble provides a standard to examine and evaluate any law and action of government to find out whether it is good or bad. It is the soul of the Indian Constitution. The preamble is the introduction of the Constitution. The preamble of the Indian Constitution. It means the preamble to the Indian Constitution is We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thoughts, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. In the next video, we will discuss about institutional design.